What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So today I'm doing a room makeover video. I've always loved watching HGTV, any videos of room makeovers and all of that DIYs. I've always loved those things, so I want to do that for you guys today. I'm actually doing this makeover for my two nieces. They wanted unicorn and rainbow theme. Please remember to hit your subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Let's get right into it, guys. I'm using this nice green color paint to paint the room. I'm not a big fan of green paint, but I thought that this one would look really nice with the color, the vibe that I was going with. So I chose this cute green color paint. So I needed to do something to the doors, and I didn't have any white paint at hand, and I didn't plan on buying any. I had those cute contact papers, so I decided why not just cover the doors with those. I think it turned out pretty nice. It gave the doors a different look other than painting it white. Now look at these floors. They are some old tiles. This is a rental friendly makeover, so I cannot do anything to the floors, and I did not plan on doing anything to the floors because it would be very expensive to change tiles on a floor. So I just simply use these linoleum, very easy to use, and cover all the floor with it. It was looking really nice, I think. They are very easy to use. You just lay them down on the floor. You don't have to glue them or anything. Very easy to use. These are some pink and white contact paper that I decided to put on this wall. One of the beds will go at this wall, and I wanted to do something nice behind this bed right here. I'm doing that with the help of my sister because I am a shorty and I did not have a ladder. And that is how it's looking. I got a little bit of wrinkles in there, but it's still looking nice. I also got some LED lights to go on the edges of this wallpaper. I think LED light gives a cool vibe with the different color lights that you can change on it, especially in a kid's room. It can be very nice. I really like the LED lights, so I got them because I know it would give this room a different kind of vibe. At this point, I was using the actual curtains to measure where I wanted the curtain rods to be. Then I had my brother to come in and drill 2 holes for the curtain rods. and it was time to bring the furnitures in. Unfortunately, the beds could not hold through that door right there because it was actually a bunk bed, and we got it cut in two. So the rails of it were too big. Normally we had to pull it apart to get it inside the house. So it could not hold through that door. We had to take it through the back door and bring it in instead. Now I am using a glue gun to make a gallery wall right here. All these were made by my sister, and they are very nice words that will inspire the kids once they look up and read it each day. They are very inspiring words. I'm gonna use this Krylon metallic paint silver to spray the door bolts and the burgundy parts that were left after using the contact paper. And again, instead of getting paint, I just used that metallic spray because it's very easy to use, giving those sheer feet a little boost. They were kind of stripping off, so I just sprayed them over in silver so they can look brand new again.
I feel something familiar. I can't remember where we met before.
My sister got the kids' name cut out on some peel and stick paper with the themes that they both wanted to put over their beds. It was very cute and nice. I loved it. It is time to make the beds. I'm using this purple sheets on Lauren's bed. It got a lot of wrinkles, but I ironed those out after I finished making the bed. I got this nice blue blanket for Lauren's bed. It is very smooth and nice, and her unicorn pillows are beautiful.
I feel something familiar. I can't remember where we met before. Another me is flying around and told me that it's gold free. I wanna touch everything.
These beds were hell to spread. I was sweating because of the rails, and I'm not used to spreading beds like this. Oh my, it was giving me a hard time.
If you give
Now this is their table that they will do their schoolwork on, their online school. So I just set it up for that purpose right there with their crayons and pens and all things that they will need for their school.
If you give me a little, I can give you more. But if you give me nothing, I will also give you all, and I will always give you all.
Were the last thing to go up in the room because I told my sister to get double window curtain rods and she went ahead and got some smaller curtain rods, so we had to wait to get some longer ones. If she had just listened.
If you give me a little, I can give you more. But if you give me nothing, I will also give you all, and I will always give you all.
How do you guys know which side is yours?
Mommy said this side was mine.
Really?
Yes.
Look up there, Lauren. Your name is up there.
Keep you up at night, and always
that was it, guys. You saw their reaction. They actually loved their room. They got their favorite colors and all of that. They got their Elsa pillows and their unicorn pillows, so they were very excited and they loved it. I hope you guys loved it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out.